Hey everybody, just a quick video. This is the bus we just purchased. It is a Bluebird 3800 International. It's got a T444E engine in it. Not sure on the transmission. Currently everything's still stock. It was an old church bus. And today we're going to try to take some seats out of it. It does have a rooftop air conditioner slash heater, which doesn't seem to be heating. I don't know, that might just be a fan at this point. But still trying things out. Right now Katie's working on some other stuff and I'm getting ready to cut. Over on this side, obviously the stop sign's been removed. Got our battery tray, which is very tight there. 2 batteries. And then one extra feature we didn't know I was going to have when we went to go pick it up is got a generator on board that they're using to run that air conditioner. But pretty cool. So hopefully we'll be able to get this done by this next summer. Go camping with it, bring the Jeep on some adventures. And I hope you guys can check out our videos later, see where we're at. Alright, took a little grinding. Not really professional looking, but hey, it worked. Now we just gotta take the screws off the walls there and clean out all the kid trash. You know, got little pieces of gum and whatnot to deal with, damn kids. And we'll be done with the first 2, and then a lot to go. I'm sure it's full of kitty crap, yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's so dirty. That could also be for me grinding, though. But it's all over. Alright, first 2 frames officially out. And so much trash in the corners. If you have children, tell them when they're riding a bus that they need to put their sucker sticks in a bag or something. Not in the corner of the seat, come on. And apparently Starbursts were very cherished by everyone that rode this bus, but not the garbage. And there's a very good garbage can right in the front, but nah, they couldn't hold it that long. Alright, we didn't get too far today because I started running out of blades. I only got a couple left, but hey, progress today. Any progress is good progress. So hopefully next time we make a video, I'll show you what we're doing next. There's our seats. We're going to have to try to get rid of those. And yeah, once we get the seats out, we'll start working on the floor. Probably be some time though before then, but hope you enjoy it. Thank you.